so excited to have you here. I know that Gary's brought a really close friend, Squiddy! We're going to play Squiddy's favourite game. But before we do that, Gary, you go over there. I have a special announcement for all the parents. Wouldn't you be excited if Emma Watson or Chris Hemsworth sent you a personalised message? Well, get ready, because I'm going to tell you how your kids can have a personalised Cheeezy Pete message sent to them at the end of the episode. So stay for the whole show. And now, Squiddy, it's time to play your favourite game, the sound guessing game. Woo-wee! The sound guessing game is so easy. What we do is we go like this on Squiddy's head, and the sound will play like this one, or this one, or this one. And then you have to guess what it is, and then we'll see a picture of it and you can see if you're right. But there's also something really special to keep your ears open for, and that's this sound. If you hear that sound, you need to yell out, Squiddy! Let's try! Squiddy! Great job! Alright, Squiddy, it's time to start the game. What sound is he going to make? And let's see if we can guess it. Ooh. Oh. Do you think you know what sound that is? Let's have a look on the iPad. That's right! It was a dog! Doggies are so cute! Alright, Squiddy, what sound have you got for us this time? That one's a tough one. I think I know what it is. Do you think you know? Let's have a look. That's right, a truck! Wow! Good job, Squiddy, and good job you. Oh. I'm not sure. Wait, I think I know. Let's have a look. Yes! A horse! I thought it was a horse, and you got it too! Well done! Let's have a look. A hammer! Of course! I should have known. I bet you got it, didn't you? Alright, Squiddy, I'm ready for another one. We're all ready. Let's go! I know what sound that is. Should we have a look? That's right, a toilet! Squiddy! Alright, Squiddy, we're ready for the next one, aren't we? Squiddy! Did you get it? That was the special sound! You did it, Squiddy! Great job! Okay, we're ready for another one. I know what that is. I love eating those. Do you think you know what it is? Let's have a look. It is! It's a chip packet being opened. I love chips. Alright, Squiddy. Ooh, that was a funny sound. What could that be? Let's have a look. Slime? Squiddy, slime! I should have guessed it. I bet you got that too. You're doing so great. I think I know what that was. It was a sneeze. Oh, somebody sneezed. Are you ready? Pepper? Let's have a look. It was a piggy. Oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Let's go again. Squiddy! Did you get that one? You did? Great job! Good job too, Squiddy. Let's have a look. A bee! Oh, I should have guessed the bzzz. I should have known that sound. Okay, Squiddy. I think I know what that one is. Let's have a look. It was a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Mother duck went quack, 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 quack. And all of the little ducks gave back. I like that song. All right, Squiddy. Let's have a look. I was right. A monkey. Something's being turned on. I think I know what it is. Let's have a look. It is. It's a tap turned on. Just like when we wash our hands. Do you know when I wash my hands, I say the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Squiddy! Did you get that one? I bet you did. I know what that is. Do you? Let's have a look. It is. It's a car. I love cars. Great choice, Squiddy. What's that sound? That's a funny sound. Let's have a look. A frog, of course. Frogs are great. What's that, Squiddy? Only 2 more. Okay, we'll try our best, won't we, kids? Oh, wow. Did that shock you? I think that shocked me. Wow. What is that? I think I had that at my last birthday party. I know what that is. It's a party popper. Of course. That's great. This is the last one, Squiddy says. He's getting tired. I think he needs to go back and have a swim. Last one.
Cheeezy!
I know that. It's everyone's favorite YouTube channel. Cheeezy Pete! Yeah! Great job, Squiddy! I had fun with that game, there's one more little game you might like. Let's try and match the shapes. Alright, with these shapes you can see which ones are the squares. Do you know which ones the squares are? Is it the blue ones, or the yellow ones, or the orange ones? That's right! It's the yellow ones! You did great! Let's do this 2 more times. Which shape is the circle? Have a look. Is it the blue one, the yellow one, or the orange one? That's right! The blue one! Fantastic! One more time. Let's see if we can find the triangle. Is it the blue one, the yellow one, or the orange one? That's right! It's the orange one! Great job! Thank you so much for coming and joining me, Gary and Squiddy, to play the sound guessing game. I had so much fun, and I hope you did too. We'll see you in the next episode. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye! Hi there, Mum and Dad. You did so well. You watched the entire episode. And now I'm going to share with you how you can get your child's very own personalised message from me, Cheeezy Pete. It's so easy. All you need to do is share the post that can be found on Instagram or Facebook, and you can share it on your Insta story or on your newsfeed on your Facebook, and put the caption, "My child," put their name, might be Pete. My Pete loves learning with Cheeezy Pete. And when you share that, I'll send a personalised message to you and you can show them from your own phone. It's that easy. Here are some examples. Thank you so much